As part of the 133 years celebration of the founding of the Unitarian Church in the region, the Unitarian Church Jowai presented mementos to the Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District, Sri Garrett L.N.S. Dykes, the DMHO West Giant Hills, the Superintendent of Police West Giant Hills District Bikram Marak, in recognition of the yeoman's service that they have rendered to the community recently. These mementos were presented to the recipient at their respective offices by the elders of the Unitarian Church.
Memento says, Unitarian Church Jowai, on the occasion of 133rd anniversary of the founding of the church on September 18, 2020, award the police department this memento in gratitude and thanks for the selfless service rendered by the police force in preventing the spread of COVID-19, which means keep on progressing.
I am extremely overwhelmed to accept the gratitude in terms of felicitation to the police department. One thing which I would like to say is this: we are not alone in this fight, but you are with us, media with us, other agencies are with us, because of which we are managing to contain so far in this district till date. And I assure, and from other agencies also you can hear that our district is the best management in terms of this containment of this COVID-19. And I do pray that let us keep this cooperation in the days to come. Like I said, we alone could not do anything. I need your support, I need your support. Let us cooperate and work for the betterment of the district, so that in the long run, yes, I do know that it is not a matter of 1 day or 2 day fight. It's a long process. So let us fight so that in the long run, without any casualty, we will be able to overcome this crisis. Thank you.
We know that our district does not experience the spike that is happening elsewhere, because the district administration's model to control the pandemic is effective. The district administration has been able to keep the spread of virus under control, and we are glad to know that as of today, we have only one positive case, I think. 40 positive cases in the district. And this is all because of the devoted service of all those who are involved in the fight. We have also prepared a special token of appreciation. We have won some battles, but the war is not yet over. We are honored to hand over this memento to you, and we request you to please accept it